We're on GMetrix PowerPoint Multi-Project 3. Currently working on the third project, which is called Custom Construction. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and go to slide 2 and select the text Custom Construction. And what we're going to do is make a hyperlink out of this. Now, you could go to the Insert tab and click Hyperlink in the Links group, but I'm just going to right-click here. And then from here, what we need to do is type in the customconstruction.gmetrix.com. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll click OK. And it changes that over to a hyperlink for us. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to stay on this slide. And we're going to go ahead and draw a down ribbon. So we're on the Insert tab here, Shapes. And we have the Stars and Banners group. And this is your down ribbon. If you're not sure, make sure you hover. It'll tell you what it's called. So we went ahead and we drew that. And what we want is 1 inch high by 2.5 inches wide. Oh wow, I did good on the height, but let's go ahead and change this to 2.5. We'll click Enter. And it asks us to go ahead and center this on the slide before we move on. So with that object selected, we're on the Drawing Tools format and Align Center. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and apply an effect to the Smart Art on slide 4. So let's go ahead and go to slide 4, and we'll select our Smart Art. And from here, we want to go to the Smart Art Tools Design, and then we're in the Smart Art Styles. Click the drop down, and what they want us to select is the Moderate Effect, and it is this one. Again, if you're not sure, make sure you hover and select that. Click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and go to slide 3. And what we're going to do is put a picture in this empty text holder. So let's go ahead and, I said text holder, placeholder. But so what we want is this right here, Pictures. And we'll go to our GMetrix folder. Select Barn. And what it wants us to do is to resize the image to 3 inches high by 6 inches wide. So we'll type 3 here, select Enter, and it resized the width for us already. We'll click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go ahead and apply on slide 5. Slide 5, the center shadow rectangle style. So we'll go ahead and select our image here, which brings us up the Picture Tools format. We'll click this drop-down box, and this can always be cumbersome. Trying to find the specific style, but again, make sure you hover so you know that you're selecting the exact style that it wants. We'll click Mark Completed.